In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Safari browser from your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And first off, if you just wanna hide the Safari browser icon from the home screen, you can long press on it, tap at Remove App, and then tap at Remove from home screen. That will remove Safari app icon from the home screen. However, it doesn't remove the app, so we still are able to find Safari via search, and also we are still able to find Safari in app library. If you would like to make it impossible to do that and to completely delete Safari from your iPhone, you need to do the following steps. First off, head over to Settings. After that, tap at Screen Time, scroll down a bit and tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure it is turned on, and then head over to Allowed Apps. On the next step, it may ask you to enter your screen time passcode if you set it before. And then you will be taken to Allowed Apps. That's where we can easily find Safari, and by tapping at that button, we can easily toggle it off. After that, just wait for about 5 to 10 seconds until that settings is applied. And after that short period of time has passed, if you try to search for Safari, you won't be able to find it at search and at the app library as well. That's because, as of now, Safari browser is completely turned off or deleted on our device. If you would like to get it back, you can easily do so from the same part of the settings. Just turn on Safari browser, and after about 5 seconds, it will place that app icon on our home screen, and that definitely means that Safari web browser is already enabled on our device, and we can use it, we can find it in the search and in the app library. That's how you can easily delete Safari and then restore it on your iPhone. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.